Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, June 19th. Time is around 10:40 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Wanda platform. So in my weekend analysis, I told you that I'm expecting a pullback in the NASDAQ soon. We are reaching some crucial levels. And so in today's video, I would like to see how we can trade this area actually. So let's start our analysis on the 4 hour. So this is our wave 2 low in a higher degree. If you want to see how I come to this wave 2 low in a higher degree, please have a look at my weekend video where I analyze the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily. But so on weekdays, I only analyze the lower time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15-minute, to see how we can trade it. So this here is our wave 2 low, and from here you can see that we have impulsive structure up. So we did first the wave 1 here to the upside, we corrected this as wave 2, retested this low, we held this low, which means that the bulls took over, and from here we have clearly an impulsive structure up. So here we have our wave 3 in a higher degree, and this is what we have to analyze now. Here the internal structure of this wave 3 here. So here we can already see a wave 1. This is our wave 2. And now we are doing a wave 3 within this higher degree wave 3. And this is actually important now because this wave 3 normally ends in this area, the area you find by taking the length of wave 1 and the length of wave 2, between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. This is typically the target for a wave 3, this 1.618 FIB extension. Of course, it can always go a bit more up. This is always possible, but this is these are typical target areas within Elliott wave theory. What we also see here is that we reached an resistance zone. So this nicely coincides here, the upper limit of this, the upper boundary of this box and this resistance zone. And what we also see is divergence. We are making higher highs in or we are making new highs in price, but the strength is diminishing. So this indicates that a reversal might soon be there. Like I mean, a pullback that does not mean or that does not has to mean a crash or whatsoever. The main direction is bullish. That's for sure. In the higher time frame, we are bullish. But here on the lower time frame, we see signs that a pullback might be near. So then let's have a look at the 1 hour time frame. So here we have the 1 hour, this wave 2 low. So now it's really a matter of it becomes a bit micro counting, but I didn't attempt, and this is the best way to look at it. I think this here wave 1, we have 5 waves corrected as an ABC. Nice reaction from the equal leg area here, or wave 2. And then here I am in doubt. I think this is our wave 3 here. However, if we take again out this divergence, yeah, it would mean that our wave 3 is still ongoing. But with this data, I would say this is our wave 3, this is the wave 4. And so here, yeah, the high could be in, like you could count this as a 3, then a 4, something like this, that this is the 5 then of this 3, and that we will now do a wave 4. Could be, but it would look nicer if we did one more high, actually. So yeah, one more high with divergence here. Divergence cannot be erased. If we erase this divergence, then we started a new cycle, and then I have to look for another count. But for now, I would think one more high can be expected here. So how can we trade this? Let's zoom in. So actually, there might already be a trade in the sense that yeah, this can be a complete structure, and yeah, complete structures that fulfill all the requirements, like divergence, 5 waves up in a relevant area, can be shorted in my opinion. But if you do this, then know that you are trading against the main direction. So the main direction is bullish. So this is a trade that that you can take today. And otherwise, another way to play it is to wait for your pullback and buy the pullback again. So you wait for an some kind of ABC structure, like on the lower degree, like this. You wait for an ABC. So then we assume that this was only our wave 3, and that the wave 5 still has to come, and then you can buy your pullback. Then you are trading with the main direction, and yeah, then you're trading with the main direction, which could be safer. But at the same time, we have enough for a pullback. Actually, the pullback can start from here. So this brings us a bit in a difficult situation, in the sense that we are bullish in the higher time frame, but in the lower time frame, it looks like yeah, the bullish momentum is over, or is getting over. So there is a bit a contradiction for the moment. But I would still, if we pull back as an ABC, I would still take the trade, actually. But it's better than to take it from the extremes, I would say. Like what you need to see, like if this turns out or ABC, then this will be the area here to buy, the area between your 1 and your 1.618 FIP extension. And what you need to see, but this has to be analyzed then on the 15 minutes, is 5 waves down here as a C wave, and you need to end with divergence in this area, and then this would be a sign for me if we to go long. At the same time, if we make another high here with divergence, so divergence cannot be erased on the 1 hour also not on the 4 hour. This can also be a short trade today. So I see two potential trades, a short and a long. We do not have enough data for now. We need to see what plays out. Do we move up again from here, or do we retrace more? If we retrace more, I see a long trade. If we move up, if we take out this high from here, this can be a short trade actually, but you are trading against the main direction. Okay, so guys, if you like this analysis, please like, subscribe, or comment to support my work. This will help me to grow this channel. And so tomorrow I'm back for another video of the lower time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minutes. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.